Hello everyone, it's Amelia here. Today I wanted to share another video with you guys showing you how to differentiate Willinkii and Veitchii. So first we can start with the Veitchii here. It's originated from Australia and they are mainly grown on like cliffs between the rocks, which means out of all the 19 species of Platycerium, they are the most succulent-like that can take most of the sun and dry seasons because of the weather and where they're grown. And due to the strong sun and dryness, they also developed really thick white hair on the back of the antler front. You see the back is the front, sorry, is relatively green, and the back, which is actually what's showing when you have it on the wall, it's almost like a silverish thing. So I would call these kind of Veitchii, we're calling this silver, but Willinkii we call it white. I'm going to compare the color with you guys in a second. So, and also the antler front goes upwards, like a little deer's antler, very cute. And Willinkii here is originated in Southeast Asia, Indonesia, Thailand, South of China, and obviously very different is the antler front goes downwards. Those little ones are still new and they're under strong growing lights. That's why they're going up at the moment. But once they get bigger, they will hang down. But you also get some mix between Willinkii and Veitchii that they can go up and down and all sorts of kind of different shapes. We don't know, too many types. So yeah, and this color is more like a, I would say, whitish color. The back is green. Instead of this one, the back is silver, like very, you see it's a lot whiter, and even the hair and the thickness of the hand, this one is much thicker and velvety. And this one is thinner. And then when you put them both together like this on the wall, one goes up and one goes down. So that also is something to keep in mind when you want to hang them on the wall, because when you mount them on the wall, you can put the Willinkii on the bottom row and the Veitchii on the top. Some of those as well tend to have very high crown, so you gotta also leave the space for the crown and the hand. But this one, even it has really high crown, the hands will go upwards as well, so you don't waste any space below it. I would suggest that you hang this guy on the top with the growing light, and the bottom you have this guy, the crown, and the hand hanging down, like this. You see, if you do it like that, they're kind of gonna fight. So just a little tip on if you have a lot of them and want to hang them together, Veitchii on the top, Willinkii on the bottom. So here is today's video. Hope you guys liked it. See you next time.